The One Studio introduces you a new design for technology improvement product, 220-watt LED video panel light. We use durable die-cast aluminum case, fireproof, easy for install, with high brightness, no noise fan and silent. Using LCD with a touch screen, it can adjust the color temperature from 3000K to 6000K by touchscreen or the knob. Easy to operate the light. Sure, in order to protect the light well, we choose meanwhile power supply for it. Most importantly, we designed the light with RDM control protocol. 4 kinds dimmer curve: standard, incandescent, linear, quick. It can use in different occasions.